Hello, Alvin. Congratulations in your event. I think it's a success because... wait lang. God, ang daya, wait lang. Andiyan siya. Binabantayan ako ang sagot ko.
My kids would typically say, Mommy, where's Daddy? I'm like, JCI. Oh, of course, JCI.
Daddy, where are you going? Sabi mo, I have a meeting. Yung eldest ko, which is mas may utak na meeting again.
Hindi na ako masyado as aware of when those events happen because I guess it's all the time. Being that he's the director for membership benefits, medyo aware naman ako dun sa pinasok niya.
Pero, this is just 1 year. Maintindihan nila yan. That's why we do this family day para makita nila what the sacrifices are for.
When you're in the board of JCI Manila, it will take so much of your time. Katulad ako, nakakasama ko sila once or twice a week.
Sobrang galit na yung mga tao sa akin. Kasi hindi na tayo nakikita sa bahay, sa negosyo. But it is a 1-year commitment kasi. So I believe that when you give your word to commit, talaga kailangan nandun ka.
Pero mga nagtatanong nga, ano ba yung balance nun? Sabi ko, wala talagang balance yun. Hindi mo mahahanap yung balance.
Talagang hindi mo siya kayang mabalance kasi you really have to make time to attend all the projects, especially if you're part of the board.
But you just have to make a conscious effort parate na makasama sila, gumawa ng time for them. Kaya maganda na meron tayong mga ganitong event. So hindi lang yung oras, pati yung bonding with the family. Yun yung sobrang importante sa mga ganitong event. Katulad dito sa Gusty Grove, meron tayong quality time na hindi basta-basta ma-interrupt ng kahit sino.
I would understand napaka-busy yung mga board. Usually, 4 times out of the week, asa labas sila. So, ito talaga yung isa sa mga events na nakatulong ka na, nakaano mo pa yung mga pamilya mo at nagkita-kita pa kayo ng mga brothers mo.
I'm fully supportive naman of the projects that he's doing because I know naman it's giving back to society, it's giving back to marginalized folks.
Last year, marami kaming ginawang event na purely members. So this year, sabi ko kay Derek Flores is damihan natin yung mga family events naman. Kasi yun din naman ang direction ni Prescalel.
Itong event natin today, it's a Grand Family Day. Actually, every year may family day tayo. Pero usually, it's just 1 day, mga ganon. Sabi ko, why not make it a Grand Family Day?
Matagal tong pilano ng committee, maraming concepts. Nag-arrive kami sa ganito, no? Sa parang glamping.
So yung simula namin pinaplano yung project, gusto talaga namin na something different na hindi mo magagawa sa Manila. Talagang getaway type siya na medyo relaxed for both the wifeys and kids. At nakita namin to, nagkataon na committee member co-chair natin si Vince Gustito. They're kind enough na to host this event for us.
So what we have here, we have bonfire activities, we have swimming activities, karaoke, and also inflatable playground for all the children of the different families of the JCI Manila. So this is one of the chapter's way of giving back for everybody to have fun, bonding through the different activities that you could do here in Gusty Grove, Tagaytay.
Napakaganda nitong ganitong event na nakakasama natin yung mga family ng mga kapwa brothers natin. Nalalaman nila kung bakit ba tayo maraming oras na nilalaan para sa JCI Manila.
I feel like my husband is very dedicated to JCI. So this is a good venue to get to know also the other people that he gets to work with and he gets to interact.
Ang gusto namin mangyari doon is maintindihan ng family why we are so into this organization and what it means to us. So they can understand na someday, na pwede sila maging part nito and what it can mean to them.
Maganda na may ganito so that they have a glimpse of what JCI is all about. Na meron palang ganitong part of JCI na hindi lang puro community service ang pinofocus natin.
Okay din yun na magkakasama yung mga wife, yung mga kids, no? At least kahit paano may kita nila na bakit ba natin ginagawa to, makakapag-share ng mga experience yung mga brothers natin, lalong-lalo na yung mga wife nila.
This is one of the ways na we can give back sa kanila para makita man nila na this is how we celebrate family. Sila pa rin yung core ng why we're doing everything that we're doing.
This is a rare opportunity for me because it does not happen very frequently. So I'm happy I'm able to meet other mommies and other families in JCI.
If I were to pick a word for my family, it would be supportive. We're very supportive of each other, especially, of course, of our patriarch, my husband, and their dad.
A word that best suits my family, I guess quirky. Makulit tayo eh. So yung mga kids natin, makukulit din. In spite of that, yung asawa natin eh, naiintindihan pa rin tayo.
Google, kasi nandun na lahat. Left, right, up, down. Ganun talaga, if you have a family, may mga ano talaga yun. It's the height of the human experience. Lahat ng mga types na emotions, happiness, sad, victory, defeat. At the end of the day, isang ka pa uuwi, kung sa family mo.
Imperfect, but it's ours. Wala namang perfect talaga, di ba? So, I would say, merong mga pagkukulang din kahit pa paano, pero that's my family, that's my story. To my family, pagbigyan nyo na si Daddy na wala ganong oras, pero malapit na gumraduate. And I just want you to know that parati kayo nasa puso ko, and I really love you all.
Liam, Brandon, Gianna, Sarah, I hope that now that you got to experience yung JCI na event, you can understand why sometimes si Daddy doesn't have enough time for you guys. Kaya ginawa ni Daddy to because kayo pa rin naman yun nasa isip ni Daddy.
Hi, Han. I know you value our family, even though you're so busy with JCI. This is just temporary, and we have all seen the fruits of your labor. We love you.
To my family, to my wifey, maraming salamat sa suporta. Kung di possible kung wala yung support, hindi na makakalabas ng bahay. Tsaka yung mga kids ko, this is for you guys. Alam mo, mag-enjoy kayo. Daddy made sure that Daddy got you. Let's enjoy.
Hello, Alvin. Congratulations on your event today, which is a JCI Grand Family event. It's a success because I think the kids are having so much fun sa inflatables at saka sa pool.
To the wives or girlfriends or significant others of the JCI members,
I encourage you to encourage your partners to participate more sa JCI because I know for sure they're giving back to society.
This project, I hope, will continue on for the years to come because it's a good venue for all the families of the different members to come together.
It's really heartwarming. You get to meet a lot of people, you get to meet other family members of our members so that you get to see what JCI is all about. Not only community service, but we also have members-oriented programs like this.
Actually, I expect for this event to be kind of a legacy event na hahanap-hanapin ng lahat ng mga members for their family. So it's gonna be a staple wherein all the families involved para malaman nila na yun nga, yung benefits na nakukuha mo as a member, it's just not for you, but it's for your whole family.
Itong Family Day just really bridges the gap, I guess, between what they do externally for the community and now they're bridging it with their family, spending time with them as well.
So moving forward, sa lahat ng mga mag-take up ng project, hopefully ituloy niyo yung tradition, nagsimula na tayo. So we're happy, we're very happy, and the kids are happy, the wives are happy. That's all that matters.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Did you guys have fun today? Yes! So I guess that means mission accomplished tayo today. Alam niyo naman, you guys are the reason why we do this. We do JCI to provide a better future for our kids. We want to make the world a better place. So thank you very much to our partners and our families for the support. Kung wala kayo, hindi magagawa ng mga tatay nyo and asawa nyo itong mga projects na to. So thank you very much for being there for them, for letting them do this work. Everyone, thank you again. Thank you for the kasambahays. Thank you to our host, Vince Castillo of Gusty Grove. Maganda ba ang Gusty Grove, guys? Maganda ba? So make sure you book your next events here in Gusty Grove. Thank you. And lastly, congratulations to our chairman, Chair Alvin Velasco. Thank you so much. Have a good night, everyone.
Happy Grand Family Day!